You don't need 10 different indicators, all you need is one strategy that consistently profits like this one. And the best part that I had already called the setup in advance inside of the free Discord community where we all took it live. So without wasting any time, like fake gurus, let me get to strategies rules. So first things first, you will need an indicator which important settings have been updated inside of the free Discord in the indicator section, which you can find in the pinned comment once I'm done explaining the important rules of the strategy. So getting to the technical part of it, so it got 3 simple rules, and guys, remember in your whole life that the simpler the rules, the more repeatable and consistently profitable your strategy will be. So step number 1 is mark out clear draws on liquidity on the 1 hour to the 4 hour time frame. Now what I mean by clear draws on liquidities is clear highs or clear lows. Like for example, this is a clear high, this is a clear high, this is a clear low, this is a clear low, this is a clear low, this is a clear high. So these are draws on liquidity which you have to mark out on the 1 hour to the 4 hour time frame. Second step, wait for the level to get swept and then a reclaim. Now just imagine this is a level that we have already marked out on the 1 hour to the 4 hour. Now price comes onto that level, fakes out, fails to close above, and then it comes back below. Now this is a fake out and reclaim, like a sweep and a reclaim, right? This is what we want to see. Then the third step is that we have to simply dive into the 5 or 15 minute time frame and open the oscillator and then wait for a sell or buy dot depending upon the scenario. All right, now let's see some real examples on the charts. All right, so on the 1 hour we do see that this is a clear high. We're simply going to mark it out and then zoom into the 5 or 15 minute, but I personally use 15 minute because that is more accurate than the 5 minute, because the higher the time frame, the more accurate your confluence will be. So now we do see that it simply sweeps the level, fakes out, and then reclaims the level. All right, now I'm simply going to open the oscillator, wait for the red dot. Okay, now there we go, I got the red dot on this candle. Now stop loss obviously above the high and then aiming for the lows, like right. So let's see how this one played out. Okay, it was almost went to 4.5. That's fine. Let me show you one more example. All right, there you go. So there you see that this is a clear low. All right, this is a clear low right there. Now we're simply going to mark it up, right, in the 15-minute time frame. We're already there, opening the oscillator, waiting for a buy dot. There you go. After the sweep and reclaim, we got the buy dot right there on this candle, right? That's going to be our entry, that's going to be our stop loss. And let's see how this one played out. Okay, on the 1 hour, right? Okay, there we go. All right, there you go. Unbelievable, right? But that's the speciality of the strategy, that it is a reversal model which helps you capture the top or the bottom of every single trend. All right, because the speciality is that it's an entry model which is based on catching reversals, right? So if you're not profitable yet, it's probably not just your strategy, it's also the execution and mindset, which I've spent the last 3.5 years figuring that out the hard way. So I put together a private Discord community where I share live setups and mentor a few times every single week just to help you avoid the same mistakes. And before ending, no one on YouTube gives so much sauce for absolutely free. So make sure to subscribe and stay logged in, because this is just the beginning. Peace out.